In this video, I am going to show you how to add Google Trend charts to your website. To do so, open Google Trends, use the search bar to find data on your topic of interest. Google Trends will display various charts based on your search. Identify the one that best suits your data you want to share. Look for an embed option near the selected chart, usually indicated by a slash icon or an HTML. Clicking this will provide you with an HTML code snippet. Copy the HTML snippet in your website's backend or a content management system. Navigate to the area where you want the chart, pass the HTML code into the site's HTML or content editor. Adjust the placement or size if needed by tweaking the HTML code. Use your site's preview function to ensure the chart displays correctly and integrates well with your content. Embedding a Google Trend chart on your website involves selecting the right chart, obtaining the embed code, and integrating it to your website. This addition can make your content more engaging by providing dynamic, relevant data to your audience. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.